Hello, how you doing? Gonna make chicken curry today. This is coconut based. It's really delicious and it's fairly easy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So here's the ingredients. So let's start off by talking about our chicken. I've got a 1 kg chicken there. 1 kg is 2.2 pound. Skin is on, bone is in. It was a whole chicken, just chopped it up into pieces. 500 ml of coconut milk, 2 cups of onions. Fresh chili, the amount is up to you. You can adjust that yourself. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. 1 tablespoon of fresh curry leaves. If you can get fresh curry leaves, they are really fabulous. I'm lucky I can get my hands on them easily here. If not, because I think some of you find it difficult to get, try and get dried. There is nothing else that can really replace it. The big 4, so we've got a teaspoon each here. Turmeric, coriander, chili, and cumin powder. 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. And then some whole spices here. We've got a teaspoon roughly each of black peppercorns and cumin seeds. 5 or 6 green cardamoms and a couple of pieces of dried red chili. Let's get moving. So in my pan here, I've got 3 tablespoons of oil, and I'm using coconut oil today. And coconut oil works beautifully in this, but if you want, you could use a different one. Let's just drop all of that in. That being a couple of pieces of dried red chili, teaspoon roughly each of black peppercorns and cumin seeds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green cardamoms. So in they go. And then we're going to add our fresh curry leaves. And like I say, if you can get hold of them, fabulous. Nothing else will really replace it. So you're going to have to just skip it if you can't get it, unless you get it dried. So we're on an above medium heat. We just want these spices and herbs just to do their thing just for a few seconds. And then we're going to be adding our chicken. So in goes our chicken. You can see the kind of size there. A 1 kg, 2.2 pound chicken, chopped up, skin on, bone in. 5 to 6 minutes. We'll be stirring this often. Fabulous. Next up, the 2 cups of onion. And very simply, we're going to go ahead for another 4 to 5 minutes. Again, stir in every minute or so. Really beautiful. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to add some salt. We're going to add our fresh chili. We're going to add our tablespoon of ginger garlic. And then we're going to add our spices. 1 teaspoon each. Turmeric, chili, coriander, cumin, in it goes. 2 minutes, just keep it stirring and stirring all the time. Really fabulous. Okay, we're now going to go for our 500 ml of coconut milk. We're going to give this a stir. We're going to lower the heat, not to a simmer, but just above a simmer. Let that go 7 to 8 minutes. Okay, so you can see that that's deepened in colour, and the chicken's cooked really nicely now. Now what I like to do, because this is too wet for me, we're going to get the heat up really high, and we're going to go maybe for like 3 or 4 minutes, and it will thicken as it evaporates out, and you can get it to whichever consistency you like. So I'm happy just there, so I'm going to turn the heat off. You can see it's evaporated out, thickened up slightly. I mean, you can go more if you want, but that's good. We're just going to finish this with some chopped cilantro or coriander. We call it coriander. A lot of you call it cilantro. Check it for salt. And that's a winner. Fabulous with rice or with some roti, chapati or something like that. Really beautiful, delicious chicken curry. Hope you enjoyed that. You keep safe and you keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Hello everyone, an update about the cookbooks. Well, the first one is now finally available. It's on Amazon, you can get it in an ebook, $3.99, very, very cheap, 195 pages of wonderful food from the Indian continent. It's flicking by you right now. Do me a favor, do yourself a favor, and please buy that. It helps the channel out a great deal. It's also available in paperback if you want that. Check the link below this video. You can just click that, buy it. Thanks a lot. Lots of love.